Hey everyone, it's Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here again today. Today is actually a test piece for the diptych massive canvases that I did for my living room. That video has already been posted. I will link it at the very end. So here are my colors. This is Montmartre Titanium White. This is Amsterdam's Permanent Red Violet. This is a combination of Deco Art's 24 karat gold and rich espresso. TLP's Macaw. And this is Montmartre's Ultramarine Blue and Titanium White. So this is a circle Dutch pour that I'm doing. Like I said, it's a test piece for a massive diptych that I did on two 24 by 36 inch canvases that I did for our living room. Not in these colors. I wanted to practice my circles because, as you can see, it is not easy to freehand circle, especially with fluid acrylic paint. So this was me practicing, and actually I don't think I did too bad of a job. These colors together are absolutely beautiful because they are a variation of primary colors, your red, blue, and your yellow. Even though I added in the rich espresso with the gold, there are definite undertones of beautiful purples and even a little bit of, I wouldn't say orange, but kind of like, you know, a beautiful golden reddish kind of color. And then I love the TLP Macaw pigments. The Macaw is a gold indigo sort of color shift, and wow, does it ever shine. And when the light catches it, it's absolutely beautiful. So here I'm just adding a little bit of Amsterdam's Titanium White, only mixed with water. It gives some really beautiful lacing. If you don't have the Australian floetrol, a good alternative to try is thinning out any of your Amsterdam paint. I wouldn't recommend it with any other paint. The Amsterdam has an ingredient in it that makes it react so that you get some beautiful lacing. So in a lot of my Dutch pours, I will just mix up some Amsterdam white and water and use that just to give it a little bit of extra effect. So here I go, blowing it out. Blowing a circle is also not the easiest thing. I had a lot of fun playing with this and learning how to blow the paint so that I didn't lose my circle and so that I still got the beautiful effects that are created with a Dutch pour. I would love to hear down in the comments if you have tried a circle Dutch pour before. It was something that kind of came to me after watching some reels on Instagram, as well as just some other YouTube channels. I cannot speak today. I watch a lot of my YouTube channels on my TV and not always on my computer or on my phone. And I love being able to watch on a larger screen just to sort of get that detail. Maybe it's me getting older and I don't know, but I'd rather watch on my TV. So here it is in its first stage of being blown out, and I don't think I did too bad of a job. My circle's a little bit off, but again, it's abstract. If you try this, definitely don't be too hard on yourself. Like I was, I am too much of a perfectionist, and I often think, oh my goodness, I could do this so much better. But this was my very first one. I did a few, but I really love these colors together. In just a couple of minutes, I pull out my little mini blower with my attachments, and I fluff out the edges a little bit, and I get a little bit more of that beautiful lacing, and I kind of fix the circle as well. So I'm going to stop talking. I'll let the music play, and I hope you enjoy this video.
We're calling it backwards, our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Blue and you are shades of grey, living day to day. Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now. In June, lifting us higher. Ooh, we can see so